4 checkers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 with 2 sides done. There was a guy a long time ago in the 1980s, something that I could put all the patterns and he could solve it, but he didn't know how to solve the Rubik's Cube in general. But I said, for a person who can do this, I bet you could learn how to solve it. And he said, yeah, you're probably right. He probably went and bought one himself and probably learned how to solve it. And if he's on the internet now, YouTube and Facebook videos, he should be able how to do it. I put mine how to do out there, but I still needed to make one even better because I need to combine the stuff I taught my nephew William. I was showing him and Tommy was recording it. And then, because that was a good idea of knowing how to get the top done. And then, patterns. I got another video where I show patterns based on the James E. Norris method. Where he looked patterns and he said you'll find ways to cut your solving time. And Jesus helped me find a pattern to solve the middles quicker than the original pattern that James E. Norris gave to do the middle. And now we got people, children that can do it even faster. I was telling Devin, I can't think of his last name now. Anyway, Devin, I was talking to him Sunday night. There was a tap on my shoulder and I turned around. Oh, hi Devin, how you doing? I said, how you doing? Fine, and you? Fine. Joseph Rock asked me how I was doing too. And I said, fine, you sure? Yeah, okay. And he, let's see, we're friends on Facebook, which is cool. I don't know if Jonathan Rock's out there or not, but when I see him in church, I tell him hi. He helps out in our sound room. And I shake his hand and Pastor Cole's hand. Pastor Cole shake my hand this time. I said, oh, thanks. Anyway, I'm going to try my best to make a good tutorial on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. I made someone on a DVD, I made one, and Mr. Overton, missionary, born-again Christian, and his family, I was talking to George Lindsay, and he said, are you the one, Overton came to me and said, are you the one that made the DVD of the Rubik's Cube? Yeah, plus 6 hours worth of magic. He says, well, I've been able to get it down to 5 minutes. I said, well, that's not bad. That's about when I started out, 5 minutes. Now my best time is 1 minute and 12. And then he was just thanking me for it, and I said, "You're welcome." And George Lindsay said, "I wish I could solve the Rubik's Cube." And I said, I could make a DVD for you. Oh, now I got a new laptop that takes terabytes. 5 years later, I don't know how to work these new things. I don't know how to put a disk on it. Oh well, I have faith in Jesus and I'll find a way how to make it work. Until then, I'm going to share, well, I'm going to do it anyway because I care to share on YouTube and Facebook videos. Ow. I should have twisted my hand too much. I'm hurting my pinky. I gotta be careful not to do that too much. It's good one of our neighbors across the street, he's real friendly. I waved at him, he waved back, and he said, "How you doing?" "Fine." And that's good. He said, "Hey, how you doing?" I said, "Fine." And he said, "That's good." He was, at first I thought he was practicing his golf swing, and then I realized, no, that's a fishing rod. He's practicing his casting. That was a good cast that he threw, too. And Tommy said, and so the stories, Tommy's story and his parents said, they're saying, yeah, I think he's got a boat in the backyard. And I said, oh yeah, that's right. I think I remember a video recording when I was filming the crew of construction building people. And the tractors and the steamrollers and the whole 9 yards. Everyone have a happy Thanksgiving and a Merry Christmas, Jesus' birthday. Happy Hanukkah and New Year's Eve, New Year's, and bringing in the New Year's 2020. Same bad time, same bad channel. I like how Bruce Wayne, Batman, so always said, Bat to see anyone? He liked saying that. He was even saying it for the information on the whole collection of the Batman on DVD. I need to upload that so that everybody can see it. I uploaded all the recent new stuff I got on DVD collection. I think I uploaded on Facebook the Batman collection. I don't know, but I don't know. I need to double check it. And I mean, this time I need to do it slower, that way that people can make sense of it. Some people say, "Bill, you're going too fast. You need to slow down." Yeah, I think you're right. I do need to slow down so people can see it. It's like when my dad wanted me to get information off the internet. I was thinking all I had to do is use the video camera and then record onto the VCR tape. This is before we had DVD recorders, if I remember right. And VCR recorder with VCR audio tapes. And to me, I thought as long as I'm reading it, that it's going with what I'm reading. But then my dad showed me, all right, Bill, try to read that. I couldn't read it because I was moving up, down, left, right. I said, well, when I was recording. It came out right. I was reading it. So my dad said it'd be best just to print it up.